The scene opens with the soft glimmer of dawn light reflecting off a sleek white camper van parked at the edge of a quiet lakeside. The air is calm, the water still, and the elegant silhouette of the van stands out against the soft hues of the morning sky. From the front view, every detail of the design speaks of sophistication and purpose, a seamless blend of modern aesthetics and adventure-ready functionality. The van's smooth body lines flow effortlessly from front to back, with a polished finish that gleams under the early sunlight. The bold black wheels contrast beautifully with the crisp white body, giving it a sporty yet refined presence. The tinted windows add an element of mystery and privacy, their deep shade reflecting the world outside like dark glass mirrors. They hint at the comfort and innovation that lies within, while maintaining the van's sleek and aerodynamic appearance. Above, the tan pop-up roof tent extends gracefully, adding height and character to the design. Its canvas material ripples slightly in the breeze, giving a sense of life and motion even when the van stands still. The black trim around the pop-top outlines its structure sharply, framing the small window that allows natural light to pour into the upper sleeping area. As the camera lingers on the front grille, subtle chrome accents glint in the light, emphasizing the attention to craftsmanship. The headlights, slim, modern, and full of quiet confidence, resemble focused eyes ready to guide the way through endless roads and untamed paths. The Honda emblem on the back glows faintly as the light shifts, a symbol of reliability and innovation that travelers across generations have trusted. Every curve, every joint, every reflection seems to tell a story, of journeys taken, horizons discovered, and destinations yet to come. The pop-up roof stands as more than a functional feature, it represents freedom. The ability to turn any landscape into a personal retreat, to park beneath the stars, to sleep where the air feels pure and the view endless. The tan tone complements the white body perfectly, giving the entire van a sense of warmth and balance. Together, they create a look that is both rugged and elegant, adventurous yet inviting. A closer look reveals the small, practical details that make this camper van exceptional. The front bumper is sculpted for efficiency and protection, while the side mirrors, tinted and aerodynamic, extend with quiet confidence. The black wheels, robust and stylish, seem ready to conquer highways and backroads alike. The suspension hints at smooth performance and stability, even on the most challenging terrain. Every inch of this van has been crafted with intention, a machine built not just for travel, but for the art of living on the move. As the light shifts, the reflections dance across the bodywork, revealing subtle contours and perfect symmetry. The van's presence feels alive, as though waiting for its next adventure. The soft hum of the wind passes over its surface, blending with distant sounds of nature, the rustle of trees, the call of birds, the gentle lap of water against the shore. It's a moment of serenity and anticipation intertwined, captured in perfect harmony. This is more than just a vehicle, it's a gateway to experience. A home that moves with you, a companion that carries both comfort and curiosity. From city streets to mountain trails, from ocean views to forest hideaways, it embodies the spirit of freedom and exploration. The Honda camper van stands ready, elegant, capable, and inviting, waiting for the next open road to unfold before it.